Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid, just going into XRP, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now, XRP, what we're looking for in a big reversal pattern here, under this key resistance just there, okay? We're looking for 3 points of contact on this trend line. So I would imagine if this thing does start to break out and runs into this resistance once more, I would anticipate a pullback to this trend line again. And this could possibly be some kind of big reversal pattern like that, okay, where you're looking for the third point of contact to break the resistance and start to take off, okay, for XRP. Possibly, because this is what I always find, okay, 3 points of contact at the minimal in a big reversal pattern, okay. We've got one here. If we take a look at these 3 points of contact here, point of contact, boom, broke down, okay, and that's a big descending triangle. We've got the third point of contact just here for the support, and this is where we broke down as well, okay. So again, it's reversal of that, you know, we're looking for this big descending triangle, and right now we're looking for an ascending triangle, which is a reversal pattern of a bearish pattern. So technically, if this thing can go a long time like this, coiling up, this will begin to look really bullish here for XRP. So again, what we're doing, we're holding this ascending level support right now for XRP. If we can start to come up and take out these resistances and the EMAs, I would anticipate that's a key level of resistance just there for XRP, okay. So let me show you that resistance. Let me drop a level on that for you right now, okay. So that going forward is a massive level of resistance that if we start to see XRP coming up and closing above that, you confirm it a breakout. We did put in a lovely little reversal pattern down here. Look, let's take a look at that. Lovely little reversal pattern as anticipating. We've got the 3 points of contact again. You've got 1, 2, 3. You've got the 1, 2, and then you break on the third, okay. And at this point, when we broke it, I was anticipating running into this level of support that we lost because we melted through it just there, and then I was anticipating a pullback to the neckline. And I remember at the time when XRP was trading here, everyone was saying, I don't know what I'm talking about, XRP is going to the moon. But what you're looking for in a big substantial reversal pattern is not something like that, okay. You're looking for this sort of price compression, lean to expansion, high level of support over a long period of time before you break the key resistance. So for me going forward, there's some swing opportunities here for XRP if it can maintain this level of support creeping up the stairs, okay. I would anticipate you're not going to break until the third point of contact on this level of resistance. So just there, swing away basically like this, okay. It could begin to carve out a structure like that, but once this red line here, once this level of resistance is broken, XRP should take off, okay, because you're confirming a reversal pattern just there, and it can take off quite viciously as well. So, you know, at the minute, what I'm looking for, potentially from here right now, you could be in for a massive leg, around about 52% for XRP, where it runs into 0.56, 0.47 before coming back down for another level of support, and, you know, over a long period of time, carving out a structural bottom like this for XRP. I think a really negative thing here for XRP is if it starts to lose this ascending trend line. So come to your charts, draw this ascending trend line, because you can see obviously it's ascending and the price is changing over time. But if XRP starts to break down below that, you know, this level of support right now, this white trend line, if it starts to see it coming up and losing this as support and turning it into resistance, that's bearish, okay. And we can, you know, take this beautiful ascending triangle off the table because it's just a continuation of this downtrend basically for XRP. So it's all about support and resistance. People always say, oh, you're either going to say it's going to go up or down, but that's what it is. You know, I can't determine what it's going to do. If you break that red line, super bullish. You lose that white line, super bearish, okay. So inside of all this is chop basically. So at the minute you can see you've got the 10 EMA coming down, you've got a forced level of support. There is quite a bearish pattern just there, to be honest with you. I think I've gone through this with you before, a potential bearish pattern where we've got this left shoulder, then we've got this head, and right now we could be carving out the right shoulder of a potential bearish pattern where if we start to come down and lose this support, boom, you've got a you know, a nasty bearish head and shoulders pattern, turn into resistance, coming down. So if you do start to see that, if XRP comes down, loses this ascending level support, okay, turns it into resistance, really bearish, and it could be a really good short opportunity to come down, you know. And if we do come down, at that point we will be in a bearish technical target from there all the way down to the neckline. If we do start to see the breakdown, this is where you could see XRP have another flush to the downside, you know, pushing towards the 786 fib down there. But, you know, I can't say it's going to do it. No one can. You know, no one's got a crystal ball. No one can see into the future. But the bullish thing here is, like I've said to you, you are holding the golden ratio. You've been holding it since June last year. You're trying to build a base on it. If we get a little break coming up, that's key resistance, and then come back again on this ascending trend line. Again, real good short and long opportunity at that point, you know, to swing trade or whatever. And if we can carve out this with 3 points of contact over a long period of time and 3 points of contact of support over a long period of time as well, then, you know, we've got a beautiful bullish reversal pattern just there for XRP, okay. So hope you enjoyed that update. What we need to see going forward is XRP like it did here, run into the EMAs. We need to see the break above. If we see this, okay, if XRP comes up and retests that high just there, I think that's a very, very bullish scenario going forward for XRP, okay? Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update in XRP. Bye-bye.